Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little pruning on my Supertunias down there. As you can tell, they have gotten so full, but they're also very leggy and you're not seeing a lot of blooms. They do get plant food once a week. I expect maybe, a week or two and it's going to be looking full and lush again. So here we go. Well, I wanted to show you the final product, but the sun is very bright right now, so as you can tell, it's bleached out. But I really hacked off the bottoms of these here. I was watching one of my favorite gardening shows the other day, and she had trimmed them all down, and within 2 weeks they were full and bushy again. And so I thought I would try the same thing since they were all leggy and I wasn't seeing a lot of flower color anymore. So this is day one. We'll see how they look next week, and then we'll see how they look after 2 weeks and see how much they've grown. They do get plant food once a week too, so they do have that going for them. So I wanted to do a little update on this container. You saw a few weeks ago when I planted these together. These are my impatiens. That's some kind of flower cracker flower, and the coleus. This one here gets part sun. This gets all shade. Look at the difference in the growth on that. So obviously the full shade still does well, but when you give it some sun mixed in with it, look at how much larger that plant gets. Here's a top view also. It's not blooming a whole lot right now, but if you come in close here, you could see that there's little blooms just ready to go. This one here, I don't know if this firecracker is, oh well, here we go. We got some new growth. So maybe we'll see some more coming from that too. But, that one's almost twice the size of this one, and that's purely because it gets more shade or more sun. Well, there you go. So this is my 1-year anniversary since I started my garden. It was last year, August of 2022, where I decided I was going to do this. And it has made tremendous strides since. It's not how I planned it when I started, and I don't even know if it'll look like this next year. But we'll just do a real quick walkthrough here. We got heavy storms coming with some straight line winds and all that fun stuff here. So I'm out of breath because it's very, very hot. It's like 88 or something like that humidity. I'll flash it on the screen for you. But just as my 1-year review, this is where we planted the irises the other day. We have my hostas here. We have the lavenders here with the purple hearts just screaming hello in the front. We have some ombre coneflowers here, and you saw me deadhead the other ones over here. All of these black-eyed Susans are doing beautiful. If you see this one here, this little leggy guy leaning in, that's one that my daughter Shane planted from seed for me, and now he's part of the garden too. So, but it's looking really nice. I know it's all kind of bleached out because the sun is so high, but look at how nice. Just look at how bright and happy these things are. Oh, I couldn't be more happy, guys. This is just, for all the changes and everything else, it's been absolutely fun for me to do this. Yeah, even with some of the ones that haven't been successful, and these are kind of successful, but not entirely because I only have leaves. I have no stems coming up with flower buds. But I'm not disappointed because everything else is beautiful, even coming right to that tree, what are they called, crepe myrtles? So anyway, there we go. Happy 1 year anniversary, my tiny Tennessee garden. Love you guys. I appreciate you staying and watching through all my videos, and to all you new guys that are just tuning in now.